Now students, while we make the key on, then we observe the deflection in the ammeter as well as in the voltmeter. Now we are coming towards the table or observation. In this table we have to mention the ammeter reading, observe and correct it, then voltmeter reading, observe and correct it, then we will calculate the unknown resistance. For this, what we will do, with the help of this rheostat, we fix the reading of the ammeter at a particular point. Here I am sliding the slider of the rheostat with the help of this the ammeter needle is moving. Now I have fixed the ammeter reading at this point. Here there are 5 divisions and the least count is 0.05. That is why our first reading is number of division in ammeter 5, least count 0.05. After multiplication we got 0.25 amperes. Now after fixing the value of ammeter, we will observe the reading in the voltmeter. एमीटर को फिक्स करने के बाद हम वोल्टमीटर में रीडिंग ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. तो व्हाट वी विल फाइंड, वोल्टमीटर की रीडिंग भी वही आ रही है जो एमीटर की रीडिंग थी. एंड दिस इज अगेन द 5 डिविजन्स. दीज आर 5 डिविजन्स एंड लीस्ट काउंट इज अगेन 0.05. तो डिवीज़न है 5, 0.05 हो गया लीस्ट काउंट. Then the reading is 0.25. Now we are having two values. One is of ammeter which is 0.25. Second one is of voltmeter, it is 0.25. Then with the help of this relation Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I, so we have mentioned the value of the voltage, this is 0.25, and the current again 0.25. So we got 1 ohm, यानी resistance of this unknown wire is 1 ohm. This observation is repeated up to 4-5 readings. Now again I am making the key on, then with the help of the slider, I am changing the value of the ammeter, and then this value is 0.5 now. This is 0.5 now, and then observing the value of the voltmeter, it is again 0.5. Then calculation is number of division is this time 10, least count 0.05, then reading is 0.50. Number of division 10, here also least count 0.05, then reading is 0.50, and then we got the resistance again of 1 ohms. These readings, this experiment is repeated up to 5 times, and then we calculate the the unknown resistance and then mention here the result. Now after observation we can plot a graph. After observation we can plot a graph by assuming the scale on the x-axis at 2 centimeters 0.25 volts and on y-axis 2 centimeter as 0.25 amperes. Then this is x-axis, it is voltage axis, and y-axis is current axis. Now we have taken the interval of 2 centimeter as 0.25, then 0.50, then 0.75, 1.0, 1.25. Here also 0.25, 0.50, 0.75, 1.0 and 1.25. Now while we draw the graph, these points which we have observed in the observation table here, then we got a straight line graph. Now draw a horizontal line from this point and make this triangle by which we can calculate this theta, and this tan theta may be calculated as perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is the current axis, that is why it is del I, and base is voltage axis, that is why it is del V. Then the change in the voltage from this value to this value, current and the voltage from this value to this value, we can mention here 1 minus 0.25 or 1 minus 0.25, and we get 1 ohm graphically. But voltage upon current is the resistance, that is why we have taken the reciprocal of this. While we take the reciprocal of this, R is equal to del V upon del T is equal to cot theta, and 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 ohm. In this way graphically we can obtain the value of resistance. Then after obtaining this value we can mention this value here, this is of 1 ohm, and after this our experiment is completed. Now the resistance per centimeter of the wire we can mention here by dividing the resistance with the length of this wire. Now the resistance per centimeter of the wire can be written as 0.04, as we have calculated the resistance is of 1 ohm and the length of the wire is 25 centimeters. After dividing it is approximately 0.04 ohm per centimeter. In this way we have completed this experiment. One thing more, at this corner there are some values, that is the length of the wire, this is 25 centimeters. Range of the ammeter, the range of the ammeter is 0 to 3 volts, 3 amperes, 0 to 3 amperes. The range of the voltmeter is again 0 to 3 volts. Least count of ammeter, it is 0.05. Voltmeter, this is 0.05, and then we will not mention this error or correction, zero correction. In this way this experiment is completed. You can note it down in your note.